Well, good afternoon. It's Thursday the 14th of August, and it's such a lovely evening here in Kent that I thought I'd come out and do a bit more to the Pilco Radiogram and give you a further update. This must be what, video 7 broadcast now. We did video 6. I'd actually got the tuner, the radio tuner out, and I explained all about the mechanics of that and how much cleaning I'd done. Well, since I last spoke to you, I've actually put all that equipment back in the casing, and I thought I'd go through that with you this evening. And also I thought perhaps we'd actually try it out, because I haven't actually plugged it in yet. I've connected it up, but I was a bit too busy to actually do the final test. Final test in respect of the radio tuner, not actually in the whole piece of equipment. So let's have a look. So I'll just move the camera around a bit for you. Here we go. There we are. Right, that's better. So you can see now where we are. We've got the tuner back into the casing, and it's secured by these 3 retaining screws. There's one there, and where's the second one? Oh, these 2 over here. There we are, there and there. And as I remember last time, I mentioned this piece of white tape and how that's going to look. So what I thought I'd do is just show you that in action by just laying on the station log over the top. And actually that looks quite good, doesn't it? You can actually see through there how it will look when it's finally screwed down, and it actually gives it quite a good illumination even without the radio being switched on. So and I've also reconnected all of the cables to the block, so we've got all the bits and pieces together now, and I've given it another clean out with a vacuum cleaner and a paintbrush. What I tend to do is sweep, if I just explain that, just sweep like this into the vacuum cleaner, just holding the vacuum cleaner suction hose over the area so you don't damage any of the delicate electronics in the process. So there we are. Now I'm hoping that the crackles that we had on the volume control, the rheostat, and also I'm hoping that the sensitivity with the tuning as well on the variable condenser, now I've cleaned it up, and also the valves and other parts, will be much better, and I'm hopeful that we see how that goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find the socket plug here and plug into the socket here. It will take a few minutes. So there's the bulb has come on, so that obviously means there's some juice running through there. We're powering her up and just see what happens. Let's
succeeded where others have not.
there we go.
The answer lies in its origins, which are in the traditional form of Islam practiced by most Somalis. This is the Sufi faith, which puts a strong emphasis on community and reverence for its elders.
Okay,
even after death, Sufi saints are held in great esteem, with their graves marked with elaborate tombs.
A bit crappy at the beginning, but there.
This flies in the face of the fundamentalist form of Islam practiced by Al-Shabaab, which believes that nothing should come between the individual.
The tone control is actually alright. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing up there at all.
Graves have been dug up and the tombs desecrated. Traditional Somalis
see what changing a station's like.
And many
it's alright, isn't it? That sounds quite good. What I could do is just see what.
with a typical 5.9% APR currently open with selected.
Let's see what that log looks like over the top.
What about both? To find out more, text sport.
Okay. If I just take the light off here.
Financial Services UK Limited. Conditions apply. This is what it sounds like when a high-speed train hits a person on a level crossing.
There we go. That's much better. Actually see that better. You can see the numbers better through there. And I've just turned all the lights off because the sun's starting to go down here.
Doesn't make any difference to 450 tons of trains.
So I think that's proved the point really. That white piece of tape just adds the extra embellishment. So there we go. Excellent. So yeah, let's just turn it off now. So there we go. That's the Pilco radiogram with its radio back in situ and the amplifier working and all doing well. So I'm very pleased with that. Now the next job for me is just to clean up. I think I've probably mentioned this before, but there's some dirty marks around the case. So I intend to just clean that up with some light cleaning fluid to get some of this muck finally off. Because clearly once you've got the deck back in again, you can't get to it so easy. So this is the opportune moment to get that done, so I'm going to do that. And then obviously I'll be fixing my friend Mr. BRS deck over there back into the player itself, and then we'll wire it all up, have some music. Okay, so there we go, and till I see you next time, thanks for watching.